Welcome to TBK Career Point. There is an opportunity from the for the position of internship. So job description ఇక్కడ clear గా మెన్షన్ చేశారు. One sentence the greater impact of this role, detail elements of the team and stakeholders of this role. So you are the right fit, experience, skills, education. Okay, anything else? So it is a good opportunity from the Philips company. Internship apply చేయాలనుకుంటే you can apply here. The link is provided in the description box and share to your friends also. So once you click on this apply button, you'll go to the application. There you can fill up all the details, required details. Okay, so if you are interested in this role and have many but not all of the experiences, you may still write candidate for the Philips commitment to diversity inclusion here. So that is the matter. Interested students can apply.